It's nice.
It's been really good. I enjoyed the activities and the different nasihas.
It's been really fun.
Alhamdulillah, I'm meeting new people. It's going very well, alhamdulillah.
I've been really enjoying it. It's been like a roller coaster.
I've enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been an experience.
I've enjoyed it a lot, meeting new people who are also practicing as well.
I enjoyed the Jacob's ladder and the archery.
Football.
Jacob's ladder and climbing the wall one.
Like Jacob's ladder, helped me conquer my fears.
Basically, you're on a seesaw and your whole team's there. You're trying to balance it out.
The football and the archery.
Archery.
I enjoyed the present struggle.
The present struggle, the one about social media and all the things that can affect you as a teenager.
It highlights the points of a teenager and the different influences that they go through in the modern day and how to overcome that.
Peer pressure. In that speech, I'd say can relate to me that we should actually not care about how others think about Islam and how we do things, and instead we should just think about the right thing to do.
They'll say to each other, the people in Jannah, where's that person? That person we used to chill with, man. He came to the camp, he came to the Nasir, prayed salah with us. Yo, bro, I don't think he made it, man. Why? What happened? And they see, the doors opened up and they see in Jahannam their companion. And they said, Ma salakakum fi saqar. What happened? What led you to the fire? And he will say, Lam nakum min al musallin. I was one of those who used to pray, man. I never used to pray.